Welcome to Green Lane Masjid and Community Centre based in the heart of Birmingham, UK. Each week, over 5,000 worshippers benefit from more than 70 services. Everything we do is guided by the Quran and Sunnah, bringing people together in worship, service and community. Our 30,000 square foot Grade 2 listed building is made up of 5 main areas, each with its own purpose. These include wudu facilities, prayer spaces for brothers and sisters, on-site tenants, staff and operational offices, a large community hall, and a school wing with 8 active classrooms supporting learning on site. Today, our work is delivered across 6 key departments shaped around the real needs of our community. Our services are about supporting people, building connections, and making a positive difference. Our religious services continue to support a growing congregation throughout the year. Daily prayers, Friday worship, Ramadan programs remain central to the masjid life. A key milestone this year was the launch of Hajj with GLM, alongside thousands attending weekly services and hundreds during Ramadan and times of need. This year, Dawah and Outreach engaged the wider community through a total of 250 lectures, seminars, outreach initiatives, and over 40 school visits. Al-Bina completed its first full year, strengthening structured Islamic learning as part of our various programs. Alongside this, the department hosted cleaner streets and a road safety campaign, reaching millions online and thousands in person. Our winter conference was as busy as ever, with over 1,000 people attending across the weekend. Children's education continued to deliver Quran and Islamic studies through on-site and online madrasas, weekend clubs and seasonal programs. With record enrollment this year, more than 300 children took part in regular learning, holiday activities and summer programs, with several students completing their hifdh. Adult education also grew throughout the year. Adults studied Quran, Arabic and a range of Islamic sciences, one-to-one Quran sessions with students graduating and progressing in their studies. Our welfare and well-being work focused on standing alongside families during difficult times. Through local zakat, over £140,000 was distributed to those in need. Our pantry food bank provided more than £85,000 worth of food, with over 250 food parcels reaching women and children in local refuges. Alongside this, our health and well-being support continued to grow, helping more people across care, guidance and practical support when it mattered most. The youth department delivered structured programs focused on learning, activity and personal development. From weekly youth clubs and workshops to camps, conferences, sports, young people were supported through experiences that built character, confidence and responsibility. In 2025, Task Force GLM continued delivering humanitarian aid to communities affected by conflict and crisis. Vital assistance was provided across multiple regions including Gaza, Sudan, Afghanistan and Pakistan. Emergency medical care, food aid, clean water, education and orphan support reached thousands, with over £1.6 million raised to support both urgent relief and long-term recovery. Our people and culture team focused on supporting staff as we introduced a 24/7 employee assistant program, giving staff confidential access to mental health and practical support. We also began building well-being circles and a well-being champions network. We welcomed a HR and recruitment apprentice, completed a full HR audit and supported around 80 staff across the organisation. Working with partners across the city, we hosted an EDI workplace session for Birmingham City Council and shared knife crime guidance nationally with the Muslim Council of Britain, while receiving mainstream media coverage across BBC, ITV and local press. We continue to connect with our audiences worldwide via social media platforms, sharing Islamic reminders, lectures, classes, updates and community news, helping us stay connected with our congregation. We want to say thank you to everyone who has been part of Green Lane Masjid in 2025. To our community, thank you for your trust, your support and your generosity. We ask Allah to accept every effort and to keep us united and sincere as we move into the year ahead.